Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home. Well, my husband's on his way home from a very short business trip and he requested one of his favorite dishes, Pollo al Diavolo. We first had this dish in Positano, Italy. Very simple to prepare. Now let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to use 4 chicken thighs and 6 chicken legs. I'm just going to pat them dry. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Do the other side. Place it in my roasting pan. I washed and peeled 5 potatoes. Now I'm just going to wedge them. To place the potatoes in, I cleaned and sliced 2 capsicum peppers, a yellow and a red one. I'm cutting 4 shallots. I'm quartering them, and I'm going to add them to my pan. Crush them with my knife, just to get out all the wonderful flavor. To prepare 5 chili peppers. This is why it's called Diavolo, because it's going to be very, very hot. So I'm just cutting the ends off. I'm going to slice it in the center and chop. Thinly sliced 1 lemon. I'm going to add 3 sprigs of rosemary. Sprigs of marjoram. Okay. 4 sprigs of oregano. Preheat your oven to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Season everything with salt, black pepper. Half a cup of olive oil. I'm just going to eyeball it. And half a cup of Chardonnay white wine from my husband's wine cellar. I don't think he'll mind. It looks wonderful. In the oven for 60 to 70 minutes. Oh, I'm going to say it if you can only smell my kitchen. My Pollo di Diavolo is ready. My husband called. He's on his way from the airport. I'm going to keep it in the oven nice and warm for him. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And it's Caterina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. Ciao!